Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 7-day 4 times a day medication pill organizer. Alright, so we got our pill organizer. This is for a week supply, 4 times a day. It is offered in 2 different colors. This one is clear. They also have it in black. So inside the little cubby holes, they have it in many different colors. You got pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, teal, and purple. So this is about 4.8 inches by 0.9 inch by 1.5 inch. The little containers inside, they hold up to 10 fish oil pills, 16 of the vitamin B pills, 13 of the vitamin B 100 milligrams, and 46 of the tablets of 150 milligrams. It's got a secure clasp. It's durable clasp, easy to open, and securely snug. So this is the Sunday. This is for 1 day. So if you take medication morning, afternoon, evening, you have an extra one. So if you take medication 4 times a day, this will help keep your medication all in one spot. It is silk printing, which is durable labels that won't wear away easily. So they do hold a lot of medication. As I said before, it holds up to 10 fish oil pills of 1,000 milligrams, 16 vitamin B of the number 1, 13 of the vitamin B 100 milligrams, and 46 of the tablets of 150 milligrams. Those are the smaller ones. So they just close right here like that. They have a little buckle at the front, so it makes sure that it doesn't spill out. This is a weekly pill organizer. It is BPA free, 4 times a day pill case safety, which protects your medication, and the rainbow box helps track your pills. So Sundays are the pink, Mondays you got orange, yellow, green, blue, teal, and purple. So here is the Thursday. So you just lift this up right here and it unlocks the box. So not only does the main box protect your medication, but so is this. So if you're out and about and you need your medication, you can just pop this in your pocket and you're good for the day. They are super easy to open and close. So here is the box. It is plastic. It's a hard plastic. So it's got these little lines here to make sure that they stay in spot. It has a little clasp right here. When you close it, it secures. It's got a nice transparent lid and bottom, so you can see if you've taken your medications for the day. And then you want to open it up, you just flip this little lip right here and it should open up. So it does lock and it's secure, so they don't have to worry about popping out. So not only does the case inside of it protect your medication, as well as the case on the outside. You've got nice little hinges right here to open close easily. So if you guys are looking for a great weekly pill organizer, I would definitely recommend this. They do have several here on Amazon, but I think these ones are super nice. They are nicely colored so you can see them. It has a crystal clear case so you can make sure that you've taken your medication for the day. I would definitely recommend checking these ones out.